In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to Gmail signature. By the end, your logo will automatically appear in every new email and reply you send from Gmail on desktop, and it'll look clean and professional. Start by opening Gmail in a web browser and signing in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open Quick Settings, then choose See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. If you don't have a signature yet, click Create New and give it a name so you can manage it later. If you already have one, select it so we can add the logo to it. Inside the Signature editor, place your cursor exactly where you want the logo to appear. Think about spacing. Do you want the image above your name, beside your contact details, or beneath them? Positioning it now helps keep everything aligned. Click the Insert Image button, which looks like a small picture icon in the editor's toolbar. You'll see 3 ways to bring in your logo. Upload from your computer is the simplest if the file is saved locally. Google Drive is great if your logo lives in your drive. Web address or URL works if the logo is hosted online. Quick tip: keep the image light and web-friendly, like a PNG or JPG, and aim for a width around 100 to 300 pixels so it doesn't overwhelm the rest of your signature. Once the image appears in the editor, click it to adjust the size. Gmail gives you easy presets like small, medium, and large. Choose a size that looks crisp but stays compact, especially for mobile readers. You can tweak the surrounding text to add a line break or space if needed. If you'd like the logo to be clickable, maybe pointing to your website, select the image and click the link icon in the toolbar. Paste the destination URL, then confirm. This is a nice touch for brand consistency and quick navigation. When you're happy with how everything looks, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. That's the important final step. Without saving, your edits won't stick. From now on, your logo will automatically show in your signature for both new emails and replies. If you inserted the logo from Drive or a website URL, make sure that image remains publicly accessible, otherwise some recipients may not see it. Keeping the file small helps emails load faster and reduces the chance of display issues. And that's it. Your polished, branded Gmail signature is ready to go.